Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change one of the appearance. Is either how you can change your jersey like tight or loose of your player jersey. So let's tap the club, tap the locker room, and tap the appearance. So tap the second one, this one, normal fit or the tight one, like this. So the normal fit usually used by Adidas brand, and tight fit usually used by Nike in some jersey. So what you prefer, please free to try. And also you can try it to a different player, not all player using this normal fit or tight fit. Just tap the select player. In here I choose Neymar, for example. Confirm. I want a Neymar using a tight fit. Confirm. And maybe a Fernandez here or Barnes here. I want him use this tight fit. So please free to try. This does not affect your gameplay, but it's just something sweet in it, or something beautiful or beauty or style to your player. This is just visual beauty only. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.